Welcome to Whimsy Woods. Colorful puddles inspire the bunnies to paint and create together.
Look at those shiny, pretty puddles. They're like happy rainbows, Papa Benny.
It's so sparkly, Mama Rosie.
They're pretty, but messy. Let's make a rainbow swirl.
Painting brings joy, Mama Rosie. Let's try it, little bunnies.
That sounds super fun.
Grab some plant bits for paints.
Or flower colors.
I want to make puddle pictures.
Get some baskets, bunnies. This adventure's gonna be great.
Let's make a big art party.
Our garden's perfect for painting. Yes, bunnies, it'll be the best.
I'm excited to paint with you.
Let's make it super fun.
I want to help everyone.
Your kind hearts make me happy.
We'll make safe paints for puddles.
A happy mess, my bunnies.
These berries are red, Mama Rosie. These dyes smell so sweet.
I found yellow flowers, Papa Benny.
Mash gently, my sweet bunnies. Let's make dyes.
Safe dyes keep puddles happy. Let's mix them, Mama Rosie.
How do we mix it?
Use soft berries, it's safe. Mix carefully, Papa Benny.
Crush flowers for yellow dye. It's good for our puddles.
My flowers make bright colors.
You're so careful, my bunnies.
These dyes will make puddles pretty.
Yes, bunnies, they're safe and fun.
Let's take dyes to the puddles.
That's a great idea, bunnies.
Let's keep the garden smiling.
painting a sparkly puddle. It shines like a rainbow.
I'm splashing red dye. It's so fun, Papa Benny.
Those are happy ideas, bunnies. I'm painting a flower puddle.
I'm making a yellow swirl. What do you think, Mama Rosie?
It's so pretty. How's your puddle, Lily?
It's shiny and happy. Can I add blue dye?
Splashes make puddles happy. This makes us smile.
Painting together is so fun.
I love our puddle colors.
Keep splashing, bunnies.
You're making such pretty puddles.
I want to use purple next.
Your ideas make me so happy.
Our puddles look like art.
I'm proud of our colors.
You're so creative, my bunnies.
Let's make more puddle art.
Can we add more sparkly bits?
Oh no, I fell in, Mama Rosie. I'm all muddy and messy.
Bobby's covered in mud. Papa Benny, can we help him?
Don't worry, Bobby. We'll clean you. It's okay, Papa Benny. Let's laugh and fix this.
Let's wipe the mud off, Mama Rosie. You're still our happy bunny.
I'll help clean you, Bobby. We can keep painting.
Yes, Lily, teamwork fixes messes. Let's use water, Papa Benny.
Splash clean water, bunnies. It's safe for the garden.
You look happy again.
You're so kind to help, Lily.
Messes can turn into fun.
Let's make the puddle pretty.
Your brave hearts make me smile.
We're a happy painting team.
We fixed it together.
This puddle's still our art.
You bunnies are so strong.
The rain's getting big, Papa Benny. We need to go inside.
I'm all wet, Mama Rosie. Will we get sick?
It's so rainy, Papa Benny. Can we keep our paints?
Let's hurry inside, Mama Rosie. We'll stay warm and clean. Rain's part of our art.
Quick, bunnies, grab the brushes. Let's shower to stay healthy.
I'm splashing in the rain. It's fun, but cold.
I want to stay cozy. Will our puddles stay pretty?
Yes, Lily, they're safe outside. Let's clean up, Papa Benny.
Shower time, bunnies. Let's go. We'll keep our happy hearts.
I'm running to the burrow.
I'm all wet, but okay.
You're so brave, my bunnies.
We'll be warm soon, Mama Rosie.
Can we paint again tomorrow?
After we're all clean?
Yes, bunnies, after we're cozy.
Teamwork keeps us happy.
I'm not scared of rain now.
We'll make more puddle art.
Your kind hearts make me proud.
Inside we go, bunnies.
What did the puddles teach us, Papa Benny?
Messes can be super fun.
Painting together is so happy.
A little puddle makes big joy. Right, Mama Rosie?
Yes, Papa Benny, it's so true.
Can we paint puddles tomorrow?
And drink more hot chocolate.
Let's keep painting together.
I'm so happy today.
Can we tell painting stories?
Wave to Whimsy Woods.
Paint with us soon.
Bye, art pals.
Come back soon.
And so, the Hoppinwood Bunny family learned creativity sparks joy and family bonding. What colors await in Whimsy Woods? Join them soon.